So here the next question. So ascertain of bills receivable during the year. We have to find out the bills receivable account. So what are the information here they given is total debtors account. We have to prepare a total debtors account and bills receivable account for the year ending 31st March 2017 from the following data. Total sales during the year. They given total sales 1,12,500. Cash sales is given. Return inwards during the year and discount allowed. Cash received from the debtors 68,000. This is cash receipt. Cash receipt against the bills receivable during the year 2,900. Cash receipt against bills receivable. So provision for bad debts 650. This is provisions for bad debts during the year is 39,250. This is provisions. This is opening debtors 31st March 2016 opening debtors is given. This is 31st March 2017 closing debtors. Bills receivable on 31st March 2016 is opening debtors. Provision for bad debts is 850 and 600. This is opening and this is closing. So here bad debts provision is given. So first we have to find out the bad debts account. To find out bad debts, so provision account, based on the provision account only we have to find out the bad debts. So first we have to write down provision for bad debts account. So provision for bad debts account. This is second question. So if it is provision opening and closing will be there, then only we have to find out the provision for bad debts account. So two columns, particular amount. So here by balance brought down. This is opening balance. Brought down how much? Provision for bad debts opening is 850. This is the opening balance 850 they given. So next year provision for bad debts made during the year. During the year provision is 650. So made during the year means that is by profit and loss account. So in bracket provision for particular year during the year is provision made during the year. So this year provision is amount is 650. So here next one was the provision for bad debts at the end of the year is 600. So we have to leave one line, that is to bad debts. It is balancing figure. So whatever the balancing figure will be there, that is bad debts will be there. So to closing balance or balance carried down. Balance carried down. So here they given balance carried down is 600. So first we have to total this 850 plus 650 1500. 1500 minus this is also 1500 minus 600 means this is 900. 900 is bad debts account. This is only balancing figure. So we have to do first provision for bad debts. When opening and closing of bad debts is given and provision for bad debts made during the year is given, then only we have to find out the bad debts account. Next is total debtors account. They asked only first is total debtors account and bills receivable account. First we have to do total debtors account. Debit and credit. So here whatever the opening balance will be there, that is to balance brought down. So here debtors account, total debtors account, opening balance is 39,250. To balance brought down 39,250. Next is to opening balance is given. So next is they given total sale during the year. Total sale during the year they given and also cash sale is given. So first we have to, if it is debtors account, we have to write the to credit sales. In debtors account only it will be coming credit sale. Credit sale how we have to find out means total sales, that is 1,12,500 total sale minus cash sale 29,450. So remaining is credit sale will be there 1,12,500 minus 29,450. We got 83,050. This is credit sale. Credit sale is given. Next is return inwards. So whatever the expenses will be there, that will be in the credit side only. By return inward. Return inward amount is 450. Next is discount allowed during the year. For purchase only we have to allow the discount. So for debtors only we are allowing by discount. Discount allowed amount is 150. 150. Next is cash received from the debtors during the year. Cash received by cash received amount is 68,750. Next is cash received against bills receivable during the year. So here also cash received against during the year. So this will be coming in the bills receivable account. That is bills receivable account. We have to enter that. Next is provision for bad debts. So here provision for bad debts that we have calculated, that we have to write it by bad debts. So closing we should not write, only the balance figure we have to write it, that is 900 we have to write it, that is bad debts. Next is provision for bad debts that we have already entered. Next is closing balance by, so we have to leave one line, that is by bills receivable account it will be coming. Bills receivable account means whatever the balancing figure will be there, that will be, we have to show in the bills receivable account. Balancing figure by balance carried down. Closing debtors account 49,850. So we have to total this, whatever the balance will be there, that will be bills receivable account. 39,250 plus 83050. So your total is 1,22,300. So usually it will be there in the credit side. So in debit side only opening balance and credit sale it will be there. Any other information will be there, like dishonored will be there, endorsed dishonored, paid to the debtors. That time the whatever the balancing figure will be there, that is dishonored, or bills receivable dishonored it will be there. So here it is if it is in the credit side, that will be bills receivable debtors account. So balancing figure we have to do 450 plus 150 plus 68,750 plus 900 plus 49,850. Total is 1,20,100 minus 1,22,300. The answer is 2,200 is balancing figure, that is bills receivable account. Next is bills receivable account. Next is bills receivable account. So first we have to write the balance brought down, that is here bills receivable account is here only they given. To balance brought down amount is 1,900. 1,900 is balance brought down. So balance brought down, here they given cash received against bills receivable during the year. So here by cash received during the year, cash received how much will be there? 2,900. 2,900 is cash received. So next is the balancing figure of total debtors account will be there, no? So that we have to write to debtors account 2,200. So remaining other information is not given. So whatever the balancing figure will be there, that is by balance carried down. So here 3,000 4,100 minus 2,900 is the balancing figure is 1,200. So here in this question they given provisions. Provision for bad debts is given, and also this current year provision also is there. Then we have to find out the bad debts account. So after finding the bad debts account, we have to do the total debtors account and bills receivable account. What are the total debtors account? Balancing figure will be there. If it is closing figure, no need to write in the bills receivable account. If there is a closing balance is given, and whatever the value we are getting, that is called as bills receivable account only. If it is in the credit side, if it is in the debit side, that will be in the bills receivable dishonored. We have to write it the balancing figure. So after that, whatever the value we are getting, that we have to carry forward for the bills receivable account. That is bills receivable account to balance total 1900, and to debtors account 2200. Cash received means cash received again is bills receivable account 2900 by balance carried on 1200.